on in.
Will you sign here, please? UPS delivery. You got one baby. Please sign here. Please sign here.
What's the baby's name?
Let's see here. One baby for Paul and Beverly Peters, named Carol Lee.
Oh, Carol
Comes
Lee.
equipped with own pacifier and diapers.
Oh, why, thank you.
Let's see if she's up to spec. Let's see. Oh, looks pretty good to me. Pretty good to me. What's that in there? What's that in there, huh? Can you get it? Can you get it? Here we go.
It's a letter.
It's for Carol Lee. It's for Carol Lee. It's full of tickles. That's what's in the box. What's in the box? Let's see. Oh, it's a box full of tickles.